purging a lot of residents in the last 10 years. California reporting their first year ever of population decline. Florida and Texas, are attracting many of these blue state refugees. There's a worrying trend because there's no evidence that those fleeing blue states are going to vote the same way they did in their old states. There's a new study from Wallet Hub. Never heard of them, but seems legitimate. It was on Bongino.com. I saw his website. Comparing the states with one criteria, taxpayer return on investment. We calculate the metric by comparing taxes per capita to the quality of government services that the state is providing, infrastructure, crime, schools, water quality, hospital systems, percent of residents in poverty, and lo and behold, to little surprise, red states rank the best. You've got, in terms of overall return on investment, New Hampshire 1, Florida 2, South Dakota 3, Virginia, shockingly, 4, but they got a ton of money from D.C. and Northern Virginia, Missouri 5, Ohio 6, Texas 7, Georgia 8, and Nebraska, Tennessee, and it goes on down the list. Finally get to the bottom of the list. Let's see. Got Hawaii, 50. California, 49. New York, 44. New Jersey, 38. No more Michigan. I gotta find Michigan. Where's Michigan on the list here? It's a pretty long list. That's why I'm looking for it. Gotta be here somewhere. Michigan did a little better than I thought. 23. It's getting worse, though. All right, to our phones we go. 800-941-SEAN. You want to join us? Chuck in Kentucky. What's up, Chuck? How are you, my friend?
Hey, Sean. Thank you for receiving my call. I'm a former U.S. Army infantry officer, so 6 years on active duty, 14 in the reserves.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'm a hardcore conservative, and I cannot believe that this country's allowed Joe Biden and Hunter Biden to get away with what they're doing. It's mind-boggling. It's almost as bad as history repeating itself with FDR. I have a PhD in history, and I'm a historian, and I cannot believe the crimes that Hunter Biden has committed, and he is not being held to answer for them. It's truly amazing. The Ukraine deal back in 2020 or whatever, where he was getting all that money, he should have been taken to trial. His father should have been taken to trial. It's almost as if Biden thinks the way Nixon did when he said, if the president does it, it's not a crime. Yes, it is a crime. And we need to look at that. And we've turned our back on our allies. I mean, China's looking at well, to go in and invade Taiwan. Russia's ready to, Putin is ready to go ahead. And I'm serious in the way I think about this. I think he's trying to recreate the USSR without Germany. That's the thing. I think he's trying to take Romania back, Ukraine, all those countries he wants back under his control.
He's on the border of Ukraine again, and that happened, the whole Crimea issue, when Biden and Obama were in the White House the last time. The thing that is most disturbing to me is Russian arms, Chinese arms, handed over to Iran, shipped to Yemen for a proxy war in the Middle East. That's problematic in terms of stability in the entire Middle East. But that's the trifecta. The only thing they need to add to their little group would be North Korea. Then we're really in a deep hole. And I think that all of these foreign leaders, to stick with my narrative, which I stand by. I don't think Joe's with it. He's